I suck. I literally suck at character design. So here we are, yet again. And this time, I decided not to do characters out of simple objects. I decided to do actual human characters because that is more challenging, that is more difficult, and that should be the ultimate goal, okay? To draw human characters in different ways, with different shapes and with different sizes and all that kind of stuff. So the first one I did was a Joker. So I've been watching Naruto recently, and there is a filler arc where they try to capture the three tails, okay? And then and in that filler arc there is a character, this one. Alright, so I was like, he has a pretty goofy face, he has a pretty crazy ass face. So yeah, I can just take that face and turn him into a Joker character. So I did exactly that. So I decided to pull up Pinterest for some Joker references and just drew the poses which I like and just plopped in some crazy ass Joker clothes on him and with that face, okay, with that crazy ass face, okay. And I like it, right? He turned out pretty good. He turned out pretty funny. He turned out pretty Joker-like. So the main point of this character was to have thin arms and thin legs, but a huge body and some crazy shapes, but with a weird ass face. And since he's a Joker, he can have a crazy ass face. Alright, so yeah, that is the thing. And I kept the color scheme to like very simple. It wasn't like so complicated. I kept it very colorful as to reflect the Joker inside him. This was a pretty fun character. The next character which I wanted to design was what I talked about in my previous video, an Indian girl, okay, an Indian character, an Indian girl dancing, okay. So I was like, fine, I'll draw an Indian girl with some Indian clothes, like a sari or something. So yeah, so doing some Bharatnatyam and shit. But I still feel that I could have done better with her in a way, but this is what I could do in like just 1 hour, okay. So there is only so much things that you could do in just 1 hour, but still I like the design and stuff, okay. So, and if I want to, I can just later on turn her into a full-fledged complete character, okay. So here we go. And for the color scheme, I went with the red and green as usual, or the orange and green as usual, because the Indian flag is comprised of orange and green. So I was like, fine, I'll do the orange and green instead of going with red and green. But I'm gonna keep doing more Indian characters because they are, I think they are kind of like difficult to design for me, at least, because I haven't designed some religious or some Indian type of characters before, and it is quite a challenge to design such characters. All right, also they have a lot of clothing on them, they have a lot of props on them, so that is a challenge to design in like just 1 hour, okay. So I'm gonna keep designing Indian characters in the future. All right, so I think that's it. I think these two characters turned out pretty good, and I'm not stopping anytime soon because this is fun. Character design is fun. So yeah, anyways, subscribe for more awesome videos, and until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.